ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಂ ಅಚ್ಯುತಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಅನಂತಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮಃ. We'll start with Omkara now, okay? Keep your fingers like this. Join your finger. Keep on your lap. ಹೀಗೆ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಓಂಕಾರನ ಹೇಳೋಣ.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion in the jungle. One day, after having his meal, he was taking rest under a tree. Grrr, 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 grrr. A naughty mouse saw him. She thought it would be fun to play on lion's back. Let's play on the lion's back. Yay! Yippee! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Yay! Yippee! Ha 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 ha! Lion woke up. You tiny mouse, how dare you to play on me? I'll eat you now. The mouse got scared. Oh sir, please forgive me. I will never forget this favor. Please forgive me. Maybe someday I will help you. You tiny mouse, you are lucky this time. You lucky little mouse. I just had my meal. Go away and never come back. Oh, thank you, King. I will never forget this favor. Thank you, King. And the mouse ran away. A few days later, when the lion was roaming in the jungle, a hunter set a trap for the lion. The lion shouted, "Help! Help! Somebody help me!" The little mouse heard the voice of the lion. "Oh, this is the king. He needs my help. I shall go there and help him. It's time to return the favor. Let's go and help him." The little mouse ran to the lion and said, "Oh king, don't worry. I am here. I am here to help you. I'll cut this trap with my sharp teeth. Yum 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 yum. The little mouse cut the trap and set the lion free. The lion realized even a little friend can be a great help. "Thank you, little mouse. You helped me. Now you can live happily in my jungle." "Oh, thank you, king. Thank you so much. Okay, see you." "Oh, mouse, where are you going? Don't you want to play on my butt?" "Oh, yeah. Let's play. Now we are friends. Yeah, yippee, ha 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 ha. Yay, yay, yay." And the lion and the mouse became good friends. Thank you.
ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿತ್ತು? ಏನೇನಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಲಿ? ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಲಯನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಲಿ? ಲಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಕಚ್ಚಿತ. ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಚ್ಚಿತ. ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತು ಮೌಸ್ಗೆ? ಮೌಸಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಮೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತು ಲಯನ್ಗೆ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತು ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತು ಲಯನು? ಮೌಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೌಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಯನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಲಯನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? ಲಯನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? ನೆಟ್. ನೆಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಲಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತು? ನೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯ್ತು ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ. ಅವಾಗ ಮೌಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂತ? ಮೌಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬಂತ ಮೌಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಮೌಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ನೆಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಬಿಚ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಯನ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.